Hi guys, it's me, the Pokemon Noob 123. I've changed my name. FaceTime video. See this? I'll be opening this triple booster pack thingy with Blackyon promo and a Deoxys coin. I already tried opening it. It's really hard to open. Let me try to open it at least. Oh yay! Opened it. Okay, so we got Charizard Evolutions, Raichu Evolutions, and Venusaur Evolution pack. Let me take out this sweet coin. This one. Whoa, that looks cool. Really nice. Put that there. So, I am going to open the Raichu one first. Oh, I forgot to show you this. Still have the Blackyon to take out, which is really hard. Oh, got it. Whoa, that got shine. Really cool. It does Ice Wing, 60 damage. Frost Thunder 120. That is really good. Put that to the side. Yep. Carrying on. Let's carry on opening. Okay, what code? Oh no, we're not going to get anything good in this pack. Let me just do the code. The trick. I probably messed up so bad. Okay, so we got, let me do it like this. So we got, we got Ghastly, Poliwag, a Voltorb, Weedle, it's not going well, Rattata. Ooh, is this supposed to be the red? Nope. What? So this one is reverse holo, but it's uncommon. Beedrill, so this is rare. Already got this like 4 times. And these are the rest. So Nidorino, De-Evolution Spray, and Revive. That was the first pack. Let's go on with Venusaur. These weren't actually cheap, these packs. Another green code. Let me just look. Oh, I just got a break. I didn't even see that. Yes. Got a Starmie break. My first ever break, by the way, if you didn't know. And a Dugong rare. Let me just flick through. So we got Magnemite, Seal, Charmander, Diglett, Drowsy, Brock's Grit, Slowbro Sprintlink, and Magmar. Oh, I still can't believe we've got him. Really cool. Let me just put all my rares to the side. Where is he? Here he is. These are all my rares and ultra rares. Now let's go to the last pack. Try not to look. I just have to. I see a Doduo. Another green code. Poliwhirl. A Full Heal. Porygon. Dugong. Ooh. A reverse holo. No, a holo. I don't know. It's either reverse holo and a darkness energy, or a reverse or a holo. hollow and darkness energy. I might put this in a sleeve when I get some sleeves. This is not actually doing that bad. Doduo, Staryu, Onyx, a Fairy Energy and Voltorb. Okay, so that was the end of the video. Let me just show you all the decent rares and ultra rares. So we got Dugong twice, actually, look. Dugong, double Dugong. Got Beedrill and Starmie Break. I'm really happy about this Starmie Break. It's actually really cool. Love this card. So if you guys liked this video, if you want to see more of my face, be sure to comment and follow me on Snapchat, Facebook, like and subscribe to my channel, and yeah, see you later. Bye. Wow, that was cringe.